Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode and schedule it on the Honor 600 Pro. So if you want to enable dark mode, which is an option that allows you to change the background of every single app on your phone from white to black, I'm going to show you how to do it. So first off, we're going to open up settings, then click on display and brightness, and here we are going to select dark. And here, as you can see, it changes everything to this black background, and it does that in every single app, even the third-party ones, which is pretty useful and easier on the eyes. And it also saves battery, because if it's an OLED screen on your phone, the black screens means that the pixels are basically turned off. So the black pixels are turned off, and that means that it's consuming less battery. And if you want to schedule it so it changes to dark mode, for example, at night or during the day, and or the other way around, however you want, you're going to go back to display and brightness, select auto switch, and then here we have schedule. So we can change the schedule to a custom time or from sunset to sunrise. So just select the option that you want and change around the settings, and once you're done, you can exit out and your options will be applied automatically. And that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.